Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TRESTLE protocol token. Ticker symbol is TRESTLE. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the TRESTLE protocol token. Their official webpage is TRESTLEprotocol.io. Over there you could find a bridge, staking, reward section, a launch pad, full document section, all sorts of information. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They already have 1,885 holders. There is 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 13th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TRESTLE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, at TRESTLE Protocol. They also have a Telegram you could follow at TRESTLE Protocol that has 622 subscribers. And I already mentioned their webpage. And if you want to skip right to their document section, just go to trestle-protocol.gitbook.io. So their mission is to connect the power of CELESTIA's modular blockchain network with projects and user base on Ethereum. TRESTLE aims to not only create a functional bridge between the two chains, but also wrapped TIA, WTIA, to Ethereum users to allow for ease of purchase of TIA, TIA, which is the CELESTIA coin, and that's the ticker symbol is TIA. So the purchase of TIA to a larger audience of users. TRESTLE's long-term vision is to become a roll-up chain and validator. TRESTLE chain will be the first native TIA roll-up chain that leverages CELESTIA's DA. Our new chain will have TIA as its new central currency, allowing for a speculative market to be built on the TRESTLE chain, and will bring about larger TIA adoption and usage. So CELESTIA is a new revolutionary blockchain that allows for more freedom and sovereignty to its dApp creators. CELESTIA changes the landscape for crypto projects by allowing them to choose the language that they write programming in. This structuring allows application creators to focus on logic for their apps while CELESTIA handles consensus. So just in a nutshell, that's what CELESTIA is. But back to the key products for TRESTLE's protocol. So the key products for TRESTLE will revolve around bringing our TRESTLE token holders recurring value and revenue for holding and staking our token. And like I mentioned, you could stake on their webpage, while supporting the growth and decentralization of TIA. So they have the TIA bridge. So TRESTLE will create the first TIA bridge from Ethereum to CELESTIA, allowing for TIA to be available to a larger audience, and also introducing wrapped TIA to the Ethereum network. TRESTLE will charge a small service fee for each bridge and will build up revenue for the protocol and its holders. So they have the wrapped TIA payouts. So TRESTLE holders will be able to participate in our staking pool to earn wrapped TIA. These pools have unique mechanisms that allow TRESTLE to become deflationary while rewarding holders with WTIA. Their annual percentage yield is based on the lock length. So once the initial bridge is built and tested, the TRESTLE team will then collaborate with future TIA teams to raise funds and market their projects on Ethereum to launch on the TIA network. We also can provide a bridge for tokens to migrate between ETH and TIA network so that teams can smoothly cross over with minimal impact on their communities. So they're working on the TRESTLE chain, and that will be coming in the future, but for now they have the Ethereum token. They have the staking, they have the bridging, the tokenomics for the token. We already mentioned there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens, but how the tokens are split up, how they're allocated, is 23.5% of the tokens went to seed sale, 2.5% to KOL sale, 5% advisory, 30% liquidity bootstrap sale, 15% initial liquidity, 9% treasury, 10% goes for central exchange listings and market making, and 5% team, which has a 6-month cliff with 25% unlocked linearly after. So it says initial circulating supply on TGE is 52.6%. Now, if you want to learn about the bridge mechanism and security, the bridging process, wrapped TIA staking pools, the chain, basically the whole overview, go to their document section at trestle-protocol.gitbook.io. All the rest of the info can be found at trestle-protocol.io, and all the links there to their socials and whatnot. Check out their Twitter right here. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed starting tomorrow. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.